We are playing. Ooh, bruh, the ads. Ano ko kaya ito ilalagay? Wait lang, eto. Pipili tayong bansa. The favorite ng country. Pipiliin ko United States of America. Playing America. America, buddy. We play America. So, America. Wait. Oops, sorry. So, we'll play as America. Need to attack. Sorry, Koba. I need to kill you. They need to kill Koba. What the hell? Wait lang nga. Ayusin ko. Tap Cuba. Let's friends with Mexico. So we need to go here. Let's ally with them. They're really so expensive. They're really expensive. Go here, and then go to the ally. And we are ally with it. So we are not destroying the world because we're not destroying the world. Sorry, Canada, I need your land. You're from NATO, right? NATO. But I need your land. Land. I need your land. Okay. So we need land. Sorry, Canada. I need to get focused. Okay, then. Yeah, we need some good. Okay na. It's attack. Oh, yeah, a little bit here. Yeah, we did. Yeah, boom. Chaka chaka boom boom. Need to attack. You're dead. You're next. Sorry, Mexico, but I need your land too. I need your money. Okay na ako sa pag-ipon. Oo na. Atake ko yung Africa. Pagtawas ng max second na to. Nag-rank to bro. Kailangan natin talunin yung China. So, wow, tingnan mo yung Russia. Ini-reform yung Soviet unit. But we are attacking China. Boom! Kalat mo. Daming kalat ang China, guys, oh. China. Grabe kalat ang China. No, boom! Grabe kalat ang China. Hindi ko alam kung matatalo ba natin. Lalo mo ako pinames. Ay, inatake mo yung ano. Sino nga ba tong bansa na to? Yung mali na inata. Ha? Alin? Ah. Aba, inatake mo lalo yung Myanmar. Kaya lalo kitang papatayin. Guys, yun yung wow! Hold on. Hold on a minute. What? That's friends with Russia. Salay with them. Yay! Give you some call. A little bit. Attack China! Republic of the China. Hoy! Hoy, yung Pilipinas oh! South Korea oh! Pilipinas oh! Wow, ano yung Pinas? Ay, wala na, lobat na. Sorry guys. Ano ko na sa part 2, ha? Part 2.